Hi, welcome to Sunya IAS. So we will be talking about that how you have to use the recently launched MAINS PYQ, which is given in the topic-wise format. You might have got the access to the PDF of the topic-wise, questions which we have launched in our Telegram channel and over the website. So see, the idea line is very simple, that my objective here is to make you understand that how you can use that book or the PDF more efficiently in order to reap the maximum output. So the PDF which is given in your channel, or the PDF which you have got from the channel, is not just the topic wise PDF which you have got, but that PDF is mapped with your MAINS solved PYQ book. I hope you people are aware about this book, which you might have got from the center or maybe from the offline stores. So the PDF which you've got in the channel is mapped with the solutions given in this book, right? So here I will tell you that how you have to use those particular solutions with the PDF. Now for example, you people have two things with you, right? First thing, your 8-year का mains का PYQ solved book, which you can purchase from our website, and second thing is your mains PYQ topic wise आपका PDF, right? This is topic wise, this is year wise. Now how to use the topic wise PDF along with this book is my objective. That is what I am trying to explain you right now. तो एक चीज देखिए, for example, if you open this PDF topic wise mains PYQs, now if you want to attempt all the questions on federalism which UPSC have asked in the past, आप क्या करेंगे? What you will do is, for example, after attempting all these questions, right, maybe you want to cross check your answer, maybe you want to add points in your answers, or maybe you are not able to write the answers and you want to check content क्या होना चाहिए for that particular answer. So what you will do is, you will just for that particular question, for example, if this is the question number 1, for this question, if you want to check the answer, what you will do is, you will open this book. You will just open the book on the page number 303, right? On which page number? On page number 303. So in this book you can see that this question, the question is Indian Constitution exhibit centralizing tendency, etc. You can find this question very much there. Now if you want to value add, maybe cross check the answer, maybe cross check your written answer, you will find a very decent, beautifully exam oriented answer written in this book. You can read the answer on this page number. So that is how you can follow this year wise book along with this mains topic wise question ka PDF. Now there is a catch, that this book contains PYQs until your year 2017. Post this year, you have to download the PDFs from our website, 2015, 14, 15 and 16 का PDF. Here only I will like to add that, for example, आपका 2023 का जो भी एग्जाम होगा, उसकी भी PDF आपको फ्री में हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे, if you are following the book of period 2015 till 2022. What you have to do is, now for example, what I am trying to say is, अगर आपको ये वाले ईयर के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर चेक करने, if you want to check the answers of 2014, 2015, 2016, you have to download these PDF. You have to process the same thing. For example, this question is from 2014, as you can see, right? What you will do is, you will take out the PDF of 2014 GS paper 2. Since federalism is a part of, or this particular thing, fundamental rights, right? This is a part of your GS2 paper. You will take out the GS2 paper of 2014. Here you will open the page number 9 in this PDF, right? You will open the page number 9, and on page number 9 you will find the desired question. Maybe I think this is the question. What do you understand by the concept freedom of speech and expression, right? What do you understand by concept freedom of speech and expression? You can cross check your answer from this PDF. So that is how you have to use this topic wise PDF and your mains PYQ book to enrich your answers, to do the PYQs, and to get yourself on the right track in your mains UPSC CSE preparation. Here only I would like to add कि एक चीज समझिए, जब हम मेंस PYQ की बात करते हैं ना, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज मस्ट डू फॉर यू. ये आपको करना ही करना चाहिए, ठीक है? क्यों मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ? इससे दो चीज़ें होती हैं. पहला तो आपको एक सिलेबस का पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाता है, ठीक है, कि यूपीएससी का असली में सिलेबस क्या है. और एल्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर रीडिंग द चैप्टर ऑफ NHRC, व्हाट यूपीएससी एक्सपेक्ट्स यू टू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट चैप्टर, राइट? आपको उसका क्या एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड वे है जिससे आपको वो चैप्टर पढ़ना है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट. And second thing is, obviously, since you are attempting the questions which are directly given by the UPSC with the directives which UPSC is using, So you are able to practice in the much better sense. And just to end this video, I would like to say कि ये आपके जो मेंस के PYQs होते हैं, for sure they are better than any test series available in the market. ठीक है, तो please attempt all your PYQs and this will be keeping you on the right track. Thank you.